Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the kofta base. Pulse 500 grams white fish in a food processor until flaky but not pasty, then chill it 10 minutes to firm. Add 1 egg and 1/4 cup breadcrumbs to bind the mixture without becoming soggy, plus 2 tablespoons finely chopped onion for moisture. Season with 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp coriander, and 1 tsp salt. Stir in 1 tsp lemon zest and 1 tablespoon chopped parsley to brighten the flavor. Divide the mixture and shape the mixture into 12 equal oblong koftas using wet hands and a slight compression so they stay together. Chill the shaped koftas 15 minutes before cooking. This helps them hold their form when exposed to heat. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and pan fry in 2 tablespoon oil for about 3 minutes per side until a golden crust forms and the interior reaches an opaque, flaky texture. Avoid overcrowding the pan. For a simple sauce, whisk 1 cup plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 garlic clove minced, and 2 tablespoon chopped fresh mint until smooth. Serve 12 koftas hot on a platter with the yogurt sauce, 1 sliced cucumber, and a drizzle of 1 tablespoon olive oil. Garnish with extra mint and a wedge of lemon. To store leftovers, cool to room temperature and refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 48 hours, or freeze individually for up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.